Hi, I'm Cactus Man.
I'm Banana Man.
I'm Dog Guy.
And I'm Liam.
Today we'll be talking about Ostinato.
Come learn with us. Dog Man, look at the new song that I heard.
Yeah, that song's pretty cool, but I think this one's way better. Listen to this.
Both of those songs are great, but I think this one is overrated.
They're all pretty cool, but you know what they all have in common?
Ostinato.
So listen, an ostinato is a pattern or a song that repeats 3 times or more, like 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and that's all. Yeah, thank you.
A music author that uses ostinato is Ed Sheeran. He uses ostinato in almost all his songs. I'll show you an example of ostinato.
We all agree that all these songs have some awesome sauce.
Yeah. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.